Welcome to Great Life Zone. At first, this concept, work less, achieve more, get ahead in life, may mean different things to different people. The working professionals can be broadly divided into three categories. First, who believe in doing a lot of hard work to achieve success. Second, who believe in methods or strategies other than hard work to achieve success. And finally, those who are somewhere in between. This means there are at least 33% people who already believe in work less, achieve more, and get ahead in life, or in something similar. Interestingly, the contents of this video shall be found relevant by the people of all these three categories. The hardworking professionals will always advocate that there is no substitute to hard work. How can there be a path to success without working hard? Success is not easy. Nothing can ever be achieved by merely wishing. You have to work hard to achieve something, and such type of many arguments can be given by the first category of people. Conversely, the people who do not believe in hard work and rather other methods of achieving success will be too happy with the initial part of this video. So what is the concept of work less, achieve more? Never ever it is the intention of this channel to advocate insincere working or incompetent working or incomplete working. On the contrary, the idea is to explore various methods through which the output of a working professional can be more and better while keeping the input same. Perhaps you have not noticed the many advantages which can accrue to you in case you work for lesser number of hours and yet you can achieve more in life. As a matter of fact, there are many advantages of not working long hours and yet you can achieve a lot in professional life. Not convinced enough? Well, here are some of the advantages of work less and yet achieve more and get ahead in life. Number 1. Better work-life balance. Suppose you have been working for long hours, say 12 to 14 hours per day, and now you want to experiment with this concept and decide to work no longer than 8 to 10 hours a day. Therefore, with some extra time available, you can spend that much time with your family, which generally comprises of parents, spouse, and children. Just imagine how happy they would be to see you back home earlier than before. And that too, less tired, with a lot of energy, walking in with a smile and ready to spend quality time with them. In return, you would get the love and affection of your children, the blessings of your parents, and the attention of your spouse. Don't you think this is a great mental and spiritual tonic which will manifest in your physical output the next day? Number 2. Better physical fitness. With more time in hand, you may think of joining a gym or going for a morning walk or taking up some sport. Over a period of time, you would be healthier, more energetic, and vibrant self-being. This good health will add years to your lifespan. If you have been sleep deprived, you may now get adequate sleep daily. We all know getting proper and full sleep daily is absolutely essential. Simply put, you can be more productive for more number of years and enjoy your life too. Mathematically, you have added more active years in your active life. Number 3. Better emotional and mental health. You now have new beneficial inputs to yourself which you did not enjoy earlier. These are a better physical condition, more love and affection from family members, a good home full of harmony, etc. Are these not great and important blessings for you to let you enjoy a better mental health and emotional well-being? Number 4. Opportunities for great professional networking and socializing. By now, you are better than many average persons. Your more energy, better mood and higher efficiency and smarter mental capabilities should not come as a surprise to you. The direct benefit of this is that you are already able to do more and better in lesser time. With some more extra hours at your disposal and a great health, you'd like to enjoy some time with friends, colleagues, etc., and expand your social circle. It is but natural that you would like to network with people who are from the same career line or the domain you belong to. As your network increases, you will naturally be in a position to make use of more opportunities for career advancement or increasing your business in case you are a business owner. Number 5. Better ability to think, plan and execute. They say, a healthy mind in a healthy body. Naturally, with the new schedule of lesser number of working hours, you are blessed with both physical and mental health. You will also have the time to sit down in a relaxed manner to take stock of your current situation. You will be in a better position to understand the opportunities in the near future and distant future and make a proper plan which is in line with your career. This will enable you to fully exploit the opportunities which near future may have for you. In this context, you may also like to watch our video, How to Think Smarter and Better. Number 6. Opportunities to upgrade your skills or learn new skills. You are now more physically fit, well connected, and an emotionally happier person. Naturally, you would like to think of ways of making further progress in your life. Thus, adding to your skill sets or upgrading your skills would be one of the best options to move ahead in career and line of specialization. Of course, you will now have the time, energy, and the right intentions to do so. Over a period of time, you should be a more qualified, more skilled, and a more presentable person than your peers. Friends, we would like to keep this video short. Therefore, if you are interested to know more on this subject and other important benefits to work less and achieve more, we request you to visit our website and read the detailed article. We have already shared the link in the description box and comment section below. Please do share and like this video. I would also urge you to visit our website greatlifezone.com and also do get connected with us on social media. The links to our social media pages are on your screen now. We keep putting useful videos and articles on our website and also on Facebook page. We would love to see your comments, suggestions and experiences. For more videos in future, please subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.